We deal mostly with some of this in the prosecution, digital rights especially. I have specifically learned to deviate from the position of the prosecutor just a little bit and think of the people I'm actually prosecuting and also work towards their rights and liberties as enshrined in the Constitution. The technical part of the training that was taken by Mr. Banga Shashon quite very mind-boggling, and then also the newly passed Digital Data Protection Right Act. It has been an eye-opener. Also, the arguments with colleagues on the position of the law as respects to decision in Section 24, concerning Section 24 of the ICC, it has been very engaging and resourceful. Oh yes, very, very well. We are actually, I think this is the second training on digital rights we've had as prosecutors. We mostly have trainings on digital evidence, but this has been very expository. Yes, we've had a lot of takeaways, and it's very impactful on our job moving forward. More capacity building programs like this, engaging multi stakeholders, and also having discussions with colleagues, trainings, having talks on educating people, sensitization, creating awareness, and so on.